Assalamu alaikum students. We are going to do the grammar work. Last time in our last class on Thursday, we started chapter number 20 verb, the verbs, the present tense. G. Who is going to tell me what is simple present tense? I've told you that I'm going to ask from you people. G. Who will tell me what is simple present tense? Rayan. Yes, Rayan.
Simple present tense is the work which you're doing right now.
It tells our daily routine, habits, and universal truth. Yes, Rian, which form of verb do we put in simple present tense?
First form of verb.
Very good, first form of verb. Can you use it in an example?
I go to market. She washes
Correct.
clothes. I read
Good.
lot of books.
Very good, Rian. Keep it up. Okay. Now, student, what is a negative sentence? Who will tell me what is a negative sentence? Yes, Rohan. Rohan, I have unmuted you. Yes. Yes.
The negative sentences have not in it. For
Correct.
example,
Hmm.
she does not wash her hands. She
Very
doesn't
good.
she
Hmm.
does not she does not bear to read books. She
Like to
doesn't
read
watch.
books. Okay, Rohan, that is correct. So a negative sentence is one which has not in it. In simple present tense, we put do not or does not in a negative and interrogative sentences. Okay. So I repeat, simple present tense tells about our daily routine, our habits, and universal truth. We put first form of verb, that is the base verb in this tense. And if it is a negative sentence or interrogative sentence, we put do not or does not. Okay, for example, I read a book, I do not read a book, do I read a book? She writes a story, she does not write a story, does she write a story? Okay? So what is present continuous tense? What is present continuous tense? Who will tell me? Raise your hand. Ryan, universal truth means that which is true. Like Allah is one. That is a universal truth. We cannot change it. Okay? And then you can say that sun rises in the east. That is also a universal truth. Okay? These are universal truths. Yes. Who is going to tell me what is present continuous tense? What is present continuous tense? Ahmed Raza. Ji Ahmed
Present,
Raza.
present continuous sentence
What
is
is
which ing is used. For example, he,
correct?
she is washing the clothes. He is reading a book.
Correct. 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 Good, Ahmed. Okay. So, present continuous tense tells about an action which is happening at the present moment. Now, at the present moment, we put ing with the base verb and the helping verbs are is am. For example, I am learning an essay. I am not learning an essay. Am I learning an essay? She is going to the market. She is not going to the market. Is she going to the market? Positive, negative, and interrogative. This slide you can see the wife, his wife sets the table, his wife doesn't set the table, does his wife set the table? I like fruits, I don't like fruits, do I like fruits? Okay, students, now exercise, we were doing the exercise. Yes, this exercise. Now, quickly, I don't remember that have we started it or not. I think we have done exercise A and we were doing exercise B. Is it like that? Have we completed exercise A, page number 103? Please open your books, page number 103. All of you open your grammar books, page 103. Page 103. Now tell me, have we completed exercise A? Remember that we completed it. Yes, Vita. Yes,
It's
Rian,
from
have we
my side.
completed
If
exercise?
there's
Yes. Mhm. Yes,
no
Vita.
teacher, I
We did it.
I have the blank page. I
I think we did it. Anyways, we'll do it. But we'll, yes, we have done it. Okay, we'll just do it again one more time for few students who didn't do it. Okay. So we are going to start one by one. Please unmute yourself and then tell me. Rohan, first two.
The heart dash blood in the body. Circulates.
Correct.
Aslam dash geography in school. Teaches.
Very good. Correct. The heart circulates blood. Why? Heart is singular and with singular we put S. Aslam is singular, so we put S or ES. Teaches geography in school. Yes, Ahmad Raza. Number three. Yes,
I
Ahmad.
don't.
Hmm.
I do not like walking in
Walking.
the rain. Walking in the
Correct.
rain.
Correct. Yes, next
Maheen
for her.
Maheen runs faster than anybody else in the school.
Correct. Mahin runs. Mahin is singular, so we put S. Runs faster than anybody else in school. Good, Ahmad. Yes, moment. Next two.
Do you read storybooks?
Correct.
Read
Do you?
languages.
Yes.
She takes her dog to the park every evening.
Good. She
Takes.
takes her dog because she is singular and you comes in plural, so we put read. Good. Okay. Nurul Iman, next. Beta, when I ask you to say, then you have to unmute yourself, and when you have done it, then you have to mute yourself. Okay? It it helps me. Yes, Nurul Iman. 7 and 8.
Okay. I can play a play. I can play
Hmm. I can play
the
the piano. Yes, number 8.
I
Beta,
can play.
uh, it will remain the same because I've told you with I and the model verb can. We will not put S or ES with the verb. It will remain the same. I can play the piano. I read, I go, I swim, I win, I learn. We never put S or ES with I. Remember this thing. Okay? Okay,
Okay.
because I'm going to give you a homework also on my daily routine in which you are going to write the paragraph in simple present tense and you are going to underline the verb as well.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, eighth one also.
Okay. He sleeps during the day and works at night.
Correct.
Worked at night.
Works, sleeps and works because he is singular. So we are going to put S with the word. Sleep will become sleeps. Work will become works. Okay. Next, who will do it? Ahmad has done. Momin has done. Nurul Iman has done. Yes, Umar Noor Shamsi, beta you will do. Unmute your mic, Umar. Yes, beta. Where is Umar Noor Shamsi has gone? Umar, unmute your mic. Okay, Rian, you do the remaining two. G. Rian.
ninth. She go. She dash. She goes to the stadium every Friday.
That is correct. Number 10.
10th. The test match starts in exactly 25 minutes.
Correct. She goes to the stadium every Friday. The test match starts in exactly 25 minutes. Okay, exercise P, fill in the blanks with the present continuous form of the verbs given in the brackets. Students, all of you know you have to put is RM, helping verb. Write it down in front of this exercise so that it will help you out. Is RM. And then you have to put ing with the verb. For example, just look at the first sentence. Have you seen Rahman? Yes, he. He is singular, so we are going to put is. He is with work, we are going to put ing, working. Yes, he is working in the lawn. In this way, it is present continuous, means action is going on. Like right now, you are listening to the teacher. Action is going on. But if you write a sentence and you say, I take online classes, okay, I listen to the teacher, this is your daily routine, okay, then you are going to use simple present. But if you are doing something at the moment, anything at the moment, then you are going to put present continuous tense, means ing with the first form of verb. Work becomes working. Have you seen Rahman? Yes, he is working in the lawn in this manner. Yes, Rian, number 2.
My mother is watching a match now. Please come back later.
Very good. My mother, singular, so we put is. My mother is watching a match now. Good. Moment. Next.
Dear number 3.
3.
The students are reading the chapter for the first time.
Very good. The students, plural, so we have put are. The students are reading the chapter for the first time. Next, Nurul Iman. Number 4.
Okay. They are going out because it is raining heavily outside.
Very good. They is plural, so we have put are going. They are going out because it is raining heavily outside. Next, Heather Abbas. Heather, you are not participating, beta. On Thursday, you also didn't participate.
Which part?
Yes, Heather, it's number 5.
Of question.
Exercise B. You are not present. Exercise B. Sentence 5.
The students take a test. Please maintain silent. Taken.
Beta, we are putting is RM and ing with the verb. The students are taking a test.
Taking.
We are putting present continuous. Continuous, you have to put ing with the verb. Work will become working, watch will become watching, read will become reading, take will become taking. The students are taking a test. Please maintain silence. T-A-K-E will be cut ing, taking. Do the 6th one, Heather, correctly.
My aunt is knitting a sweater.
Sweater, correct. Sweater ni sweater. My aunt is knitting a sweater. K-N-I-T-T. It will be double T. Okay? I-N-G. Good. Yes, Rohan.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes, Rohan. Do the 7th one. Hurry up, beta. We have
Teacher,
to
I
do
got
the...
disconnected in the meeting, so Shazia and her friends come to our home. Shazia and her friends have come to our home.
No, beta. We are doing present continuous. Few people were connected. Explain again. Present continuous means action which is going on at the present moment. In all present continuous tense, we put ing with the word. Okay, so it is coming. And because Shazia and her friends is plural, so we have to put the helping verb
Right.
are. Shazia and her friends are coming to our home. Not were. Were is used in past tense. Write down in exercise B in front of the question, helping verbs are is, are, am. Write it down. All of you, I'm watching you. Write it down. Helping verbs are is, are, am. Helping verbs are is, are, am. ठीक है first right helping verbs are is or am, so that you should remember that you have to put the helping verb first. If it is singular, we put is. If it is plural, we put are. And you have to put ing with the verb. What you have to put? Ing with the verb. Be very careful. Ing with the verb. Okay? Okay. So it is Shazia and her friends are coming to our home. Now do the eighth one. Rohan, do the eighth one now. Yes, Rohan. Again, I think some problem. Abdul Rahman, you do it. Yes, Ahmad Raza. I've unmuted you, Ahmad. It,
Who is playing the drum so late at night?
because it is drums, so you are going to write who are playing the drums so late at night. Do the ninth one as well. Are you?
Are you studying for exams?
Correct. Correct. 1 second, beta, wait. Yes. Are you studying for the exams? That is correct. Number 10th one. Who will do the 10th one? Yes, Fatma Hassan. Moment. Do the 10th one.
10th one.
Yes.
And we dash in front of the school. Hurry up. Wait. Are waiting. We are waiting.
Correct. Correct. We is plural. So we are going to put we are waiting. And 8th one will be, because we are talking about anyone, so it is who is playing the drums. It will be who is playing. You are correct, Ahmed. It is who is playing the drums so late at night. Okay. Now, students, yes, all the lectures are uploaded on YouTube. Okay, now students, simple present tense and present continuous we have done. Now we are going to start simple past tense. We did it in class 5 as well. Simple past tense is very easy. It tells about an action completed in the past. Please note down the definitions and the forms of verb in the important notes. Note it down in your rough copy. Okay, students. So simple past tense tells about an action completed in the past. Like simple present tense tells about our daily routine, work, habits, universal truth, which is happening now. In present continuous tense tells about an action which is happening at the moment or at the present time. Okay. Uh, yes, I will repeat. Wait a second. So, simple past tense tells about an action which were completed in the past, and we use second form of verb. For example, come will become came, buy will become bought, help will become helped, choose will become chose, draw will become drew, swim will become swam, see will become saw, run will become ran. So we are going to put the second form of verb. Now, for example, you can see he bought a lot of mangoes. She went to see her grandmother. They drew beautiful pictures. I saw a horrible monster in my dream. Students, in simple present tense, we were making use of S or ES with the base verb. But in the simple past tense, we do not make use of any S or ES. With singular subjects, with plural subjects, the form of verb remains the same. So there is no differentiation. Do you understand? Okay? Like in simple present tense, we were doing she goes, I go. But in simple past tense, we write she went, I went. Same thing. With the singular subject, with the plural subject. You only have to put the second form of verb. Any confusion? Is it clear? Which form of verb do we use in simple past tense? G. Ahmed, which form of verb do we use in simple past tense? Yes, Momin. Unmute.
Teacher helping word is RM and teacher we put ing at the end.
Oh no, I'm talking about simple past tense.
Past tense.
Right now on your screen, what can you see? Read it. What is written on the screen?
It tells about our action completed in the past. We use second form of verb.
It is written now. It is written and I'm repeating it. We use the second form of verb in this tense. Please be attentive. Okay, we use the second form of verb in this tense. Now, negative and interrogative sentences. All of you know that a negative sentence is one which has not in it. In simple past tense, we put did not with the base verb. Now, if you remember in class 5, in our first chapter, you people converted a statement into interrogative sentence, into questions, and you were putting did. Remember, with did, we always put the first form of verb. Write it down. With did, we put the first form of verb. Note it down, we put did not with the base verb. Base verb means the first form of verb. Please be very careful. In the examples, you can see, I did not listen to my mother. Listen. It is not listened, although it is past tense, but we haven't put ed. Why? Because we are already putting did, and did is already in the past tense. So we are not going to put ed with listen. I did not listen to my mother. He did not go to the school. Did you know the answer to the question? Okay, for example, let us give you an example. She bought apples. Very simple example. She bought apples. I ask you people, better change it into negative. You will say, teacher, she did not buy apples. What will be changed into buy? Because we are already putting did. We are already putting did. Did indicates that it is past tense. Wherever we are putting did, it means that it is past tense because it is the past form of the verb. The past form of do is did. So did is already in the past tense. So we will not put the two past words together in one sentence. So with did, we put the first form of verb, that is the base verb. I went to the party. I did not go to the party. Look at the first slide. If I have to change this sentence, he bought a lot of mangoes. Change it into negative. He did not buy a lot of mangoes. She went to see her grandmother. She did not go to see her grandmother. They drew beautiful pictures. They did not draw beautiful pictures. I saw a horrible monster in my dream. I did not see a horrible monster in my dream. I'm going to send you this in homework, that you have to change the statements into negative and interrogative. Okay? So be very careful that you have to put did not with the first form of verb. Have you noted it down? Did not with the first form of verb. Now I'm going to ask you sentences one by one before starting our exercise. So the first, yes, moment. Yes, moment. Ali learned the essay. Change into negative. Ali learned the.
Ali did not learn that.
Correct. And learned will be learned. Okay. Next, Ahmad Raza.
Yes.
Yes, Ahmad Raza. Sania ran quickly.
Sanya didn't run quickly.
Good, very good. Sania didn't run quickly. Ran will be changed into run. You have to change the second form into the first form. Okay. Yes, Noor Fatma Kudus. I watched a horrible movie.
I watched
Watched a horrible movie.
I did not watch a horrible movie.
Good. I did not watch a horrible movie. Yes, Rayan. The teacher taught an interesting story.
Teacher did not talk. Teacher did not teach an interesting story.
Very good, Rian. The first form of taught is teach. Teach, taught, taught. Yes, Rohan. Rohan, if you can answer, you can tell me. Uh, we won the match.
We didn't won. We did not won the match.
You have to change one into first form. What is the base form of one? Win. We did not win the match. Okay? Okay, Rohan, we have to change because we are putting did now. So we have to put the base verb, first form of verb. Clear? Okay. Yes, Abdul Rahman. Yes, Abdul Rahman. Beta, you're not unmuting your mic. You have to unmute your mic. Yes, Abdul Rahman. Now you tell me, the child cried bitterly.
Okay.
The
Hello.
child cried bitterly.
Child cried bitterly.
No. Who will tell me? Yes, Ahmed Raza. Abdul Rahman, listen to Ahmed Raza. Yes, Ahmed. Yes.
The child didn't cry bitterly.
Very good. The child didn't cry bitterly. Abdul Rahman, we have to put did not and we have to use the base verb. That is the first form of verb. Cried. C-R-I-E-D. Cried is the past tense. The first form of cried is cry. C-R-Y. So students, this is the way of changing a positive sentence into a negative sentence. And always remember, many students make this mistake that with did not they are putting did not, but with did not they put the second form of verb. No, because did is already in past form, so we have to put base verb, that is the first form of verb. Please note down this thing so that you will not make a mistake in that. Did not is put with the base verb. Okay. I did not listen to my mother. He did not go to the school. Did you know the answer to this question? Past continuous tense like present continuous tense is very easy. Okay, Rohan. I'll send you beta. I'll send to the school. They will send it to you. Okay. Now students, past continuous tense. Like I have told you, continuous tense past continuous or future continuous. This formula remains the same. Base verb with ing. Base verb with ing. Note it down. Base verb with ing. Okay? So it tells about an action that was going on for a certain time period in the past. We put helping verbs was were. Note it down this line. Helping verbs was were. In present continuous is am. In past continuous was were. Was comes with singular, were comes with plural. And whenever the word continuous comes, it means you have to put ing with the word. Okay, like go going, help helping, win winning, know knowing, come coming, choose choosing, hang hanging. Okay, paint painting, sweep sweeping, cook cooking. In continuous tense we put ing. Only change comes in the helping verb, like it is past. Something happened in the past. Is means something happened in the present. So is are am. Past tense was were. Ali was cycling on the road. They were learning the essay. He was not misbehaving. Were you polishing your shoes? Okay. Any confusion, ask me, then we will start our exercise. Any confusion, beta? I'll repeat again. In simple past tense, tells about an action completed in the past. We put second form of verb in it. In negative and interrogative sentences, we put did not with the base verb, means the first form of verb. In past continuous tense, it tells about an action which was going on in the past. Okay, we put the helping verbs was, were with base verb and ing. Okay, now we are going to start the exercise. First of all, I'm going to repeat the answers. Page 103. Open page 103. 103. Okay, exercise B. Have you seen Rahman? Yes, he is working in the lawn. My mother is watching a match now. Please come back later. The students are reading the chapter for the first time. They are going out because it is raining heavily outside. The students are taking a test. Please maintain silence. My aunt is knitting a sweater. Shazia and her friends are coming to our home. Who is playing the drums so late at night? Are you studying for the exams? We are waiting in front of the school. Hurry up. Now, students, open your books, page number 106. 106. Exercise A and B, page 106. In exercise A, fill in the blanks with the simple past form of the verbs given in brackets. Beta, you have to change the verbs into past form. Okay? Okay? Simple means you have to put second form of verb. Write it down in exercise A, put second form of verb. Past form means second form of verb. For example, I tell you the first one. Who dashed this essay? Write. The past form of write is wrote. Who wrote this essay? So you simply have to change the first form into second form. G. Who will do number 2? Quickly. Ahmed Raza.
Romana played for 2 hours without taking a break.
Correct. Romana played. ED will come. Romana played for 2 hours. It's hours. How do we pronounce it, Ahmed? Hours. Without taking a break. Good, Ahmed. Next, Rayan.
Were you frightened of the dark when you were younger?
Correct. Frightened. ED will come. Frightened. Good. Next. Noor Fatma Kadus. Yes, beta. Unmute.
How
Who?
who ate the cake? Who ate the cake? Ate was in the
That
cake.
wasn't. Correct.
That
Good.
wasn't.
Who ate the cake? Correct. Good. Yes, Momin.
Who ate the cake? He thought I borrowed his pen.
Correct. He thought. How do we pronounce? He thought I
Thought.
borrowed. Borrowed. Okay? How do you pronounce? Borrowed. He thought I borrowed. ED will come. His pen. Okay. Number 6. Good. Correct answer. Nurul Iman. Where has gone? Okay. Nurul.
Like the book, like the book,
Correct. Shaheen
because it
liked the
was
book. Not fun. Correct. Good. Next. Umar Noor Shamsi. Umar. Unmute your mic, beta. Okay. Imtisal. Imtisal. Unmute your mic. Heather Abbas. Beta, please unmute your mic when the teacher asks you to do so.
yes.
G. Heather. Number 7.
Part
7. Exercise A7.
he dash request for another sheet of paper.
G.
She was requesting.
No, not past continuous. Past form. Second form of verb. I have told you before starting this exercise. He requested me
He
for another
requested.
sheet. Now do the 8th one also. Heather.
Rip Van Winkle dash sleep for 100 years. Rip Van Winkle slept
Slept. S-L-E-P-T. Good. Slept. Correct. Yes, Abdul Rahman. Number 9. Yes, Abdul Rahman. Okay. Yes, Abdul Rahman. Number 9.
Do you know how much man?
What is the past form of no? What is the past tense of no? G. Ahmed. What is the past tense of no?
New.
New. Correct. K-N-E-W. Ahmed Raza, do the last one as well. No, Rian. Rian, do the last one.
Last year they went to Tehran on a holiday.
Good. Now I'm going to repeat the answers. Please check your work. Who wrote this essay? W-R-O-T-E. Romana played, ED will come, for 2 hours without taking a break. Were you frightened, ED, of the dark when you were younger? Who ate the cake that was in the tin? He thought I borrowed, ED will come, his pen. Shaheen liked the book because it was not funny. He requested me for another sheet of paper. Rip Van Winkle slept for 100 years. Do you knew KNEW how much Pakistan has scored? Last year they went to Tehran on a holiday. Okay. Now students in exercise B, please everybody listen. You have to fill in the blanks with past continuous form. Write it down. Helping verb was were. Helping verb was were. And you have to put ing with the word. For example, number 1, if you can see number 1, he was making dinner when we reached home. It was raining heavily last night. Change the verb with ing. Make, making, raining, standing, driving. And you have to put was or were. Do you understand? Because it is about to finish, so you have to complete this exercise. Yes, Rian, do the third one.
He was standing outside waiting for us to finish our test.
Correct. He was standing outside waiting for us to finish our test. Number 4. Yes, Ahmed Raza. Fourth
The
one.
careless person was driving at